Well, good morning. So it's officially Mustang grape picking season. I'm going to show you where I picked about 4 feet, and I got, looks like, a good 2.5 gallons. That's pretty incredible considering the amount of fence I have as far as the number of grapes I can harvest. But I'm going to have to move over a little bit because got a little wasp nest in there. So I'm going to move over about 4 or 5 feet and keep going. For those that never ate a Mustang grape, let me show you how you eat them. It's like eating a big old piece of snot. Anyway, you just take it and you squeeze it. The snot pops out. You discard that part. You just pop that in your mouth and chew it. Then you'll have a couple of seeds that you'll spit out. Anyway, that's how you eat Mustang grapes here in Central Texas. And I'm going to have a whole bunch of them. They're not table grapes. You're not going to store them in the fridge or nothing. You're either going to turn them into juice, turn them into jelly, or turn them into wine. And this batch here is going to be for wine. That's when you can pick them stem and all. And the first step is to just fill up a 5-gallon bucket, tamp it down with a 2x4, and put a towel over it and let it sit for about 2 weeks. It's got natural yeast on the skin, so you don't have to add it to it. After that, you'll juice it. You'll have about 6 quarts, I think. And then you're going to make, you add enough water for 5 gallons and then about 10 pounds of sugar. And then you go through the regular process of winding it with the airlock on top. Anyway, just a quick video. Harvest came a little bit early because I think this is July 1st. Nope, not even July 1st. It's the last day of June, so we're about a week early. Anyway, that's just going to be a quick video. Wanted to show you what I got, and y'all have a great day.